Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking.
Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how to make a quick and easy blueberry shortcake. So let's get started. I'm using this Angel Food box cake, so just make it according to the directions on the box. I have one 21-ounce can of blueberry pie filling. You can also add some fresh blueberries on top if you like. It's optional. Or some Cool Whip or your homemade whip topping. I have a 13 by 7 baking pan. My oven's on 350. I'll spray the pan, then pour the mixture in, and it says bake for about 33 minutes. So if you're using the box cake, just cook it according to the directions on the box. I do have a recipe for homemade angel food cake, but I need this really quick. So now I'll take my mixture and put it in my pan. So now into the oven this goes, and this is my quick and easy blueberry shortcake. So I took a slice of the angel food cake, put it on my plate. Now I'll put some blueberries on top. And you can use either Cool Whip or some homemade whip topping, which I made the homemade whip topping. I'll put a little on top. And it's optional to add some fresh blueberries. And this is my blueberry shortcake. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking, and watch me make this quick and delicious dessert. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.